So I've been talking to over the last few days with tourists from all over the place, and there's a real rise in French tourists in Croatia. It's kind of not the nicest thing to say, but tourism in Croatia has increased due to terrorism. So these tourists from France, instead of chilling on the Riviera or whatever, they're scared of terrorist attacks in France, so they're coming to Croatia. And also German. Okay, we've always had German tourists, but there's a lot of more French tourists and a lot of more tourists from main European cities because of terrorism. So Croatian tourism is prospering a bit in a way from terrorism.
Also, the tourists like French people used to go to Algeria, Morocco,
and
countries like that, but they don't. Syria and Egypt, they don't go in there anymore.
Yeah, no more Morocco, no more Syria, Algiers, Croatia. Not even the French Riviera or Spain. It's also in danger of terrorism. I mean, supposedly.
Yeah, because there's a bigger mass of people at one place.
So basically, yeah, Croatian tourism has prospered from terrorism.
Sad, but